nabasa na parang sinasabi yung sitwasyon ngayon is the same as 2023. Is that correct, Director?
Yes po, yung 2023, effusive eruption din yon, and it took 6 months bago natin naibaba yung alert level from alert level 3 to alert level 2. So similar din yung pinapakita ngayon, effusive eruption, katulad ng 2023, meron din tayong pyroclastic density current, and in fact, yung pinakamahaba at that time is umabot ng 4 kilometers. Ngayon, mahaba bahagya, umabot ng 5 kilometers yung PDC natin nung Sabado.
Director, could the situation get worse?
Well, the possibility is always there. Tinitingnan natin yung ibang parameters muna. Binabantayan natin kung magkakaroon ng sustained lava fountaining, mas malakas o mas madalas na explosions, pagdami ng volcanic earthquakes, malaking pagbabago sa sulfur dioxide, at kung nakikita natin na may inflation o pamamaga sa dalisdis ng bulkan, then we may raise it to alert level 4. So